3 easy ways to make money from home. In today's video, I'm going to share 3 easy ways you can make money from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or something more full-time, these methods are beginner-friendly and can help you start earning quickly. The first method is freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to offer services like writing, graphic design, or even virtual assistants. You don't need any specialized degrees to get started. Just create a profile, list your skills, and begin applying for projects that match your expertise. The flexibility of freelancing is amazing. You can work with clients worldwide and set your own hours, which is perfect if you need a job that fits your lifestyle. Method number 2 is affiliate marketing. This works really well if you have a blog, YouTube channel, or a social media presence where you can recommend products. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission when someone buys a product through your unique referral link. Amazon Associates and ClickBank are great platforms to join and start promoting products. One of the best things about affiliate marketing is that it can generate passive income. Once your links are set up, you can earn money even when you're not actively working. Method number 3 is selling digital products. If you have any creative or professional skills, you can create digital products like ebooks, printables, or online courses. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad make it easy to sell your digital products. You can use Canva to create designs or templates, and once your products are listed, they can sell over and over again. Digital products can create passive income streams too. After your initial setup, promoting them through social media or email can lead to continuous sales with little extra work. To recap, we talked about 3 easy ways to make money from home: freelancing, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. These methods offer flexibility, and you can get started with minimal investment. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to click the link below for more tips on making money from home. See you next time.